Imagine having to give a presentation to a packed conference room with no natural light and relying on a flimsy, outdated projector that can barely project a decent image. Not only does it hinder your ability to connect with your audience, but it also strains your eyes, forcing you to dim the lights and sacrifice valuable visibility. You won't believe the game changer that awaits you in the Panasonic PT-VMZ71 7000 lumen WUXGA laser projector, a revolutionary device that's poised to transform the way we experience presentations, lectures, and even movie marathons. This marvel of engineering not only brings crystal clear visuals to your fingertips, but also boasts an arsenal of cutting-edge features that will leave you questioning how you ever managed without it. First, let's tackle the elephant in the room. We've all been there, trudging through countless presentations with poorly lit rooms and subpar projectors that seem to suck the life out of every image displayed. The frustration is real, and Panasonic has finally answered the call with a product that not only addresses these issues, but also sets a new standard for what a projector should be. The PT-VMZ71 laser projector's exceptional brightness and high dynamic contrast ratio ensure that every pixel pops with vivid colors, natural skin tones, and an unparalleled depth of black that will make your visuals jump off the screen like never before. Step into the unboxing experience, and you'll immediately be struck by the sleek, sturdy design of this projector. Panasonic's attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the premium-grade finish that shimmers like polished chrome to the carefully arranged packaging that hints at the precision engineering that's gone into crafting this masterpiece. As you lift the lid, the PT-VMZ71 rises majestically, exuding an aura of authority and sophistication that's simply unmatched by its peers. But what truly sets this projector apart is its incredible wealth of features. Let's start with the 7000 lumen WUXGA laser, a powerhouse that blasts your visuals onto the screen with unyielding consistency, making it perfect for meeting spaces, classrooms, or even home theaters. With a staggering 3:0:0:0:0:0 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, you can bid farewell to washed-out images and hello to a world of cinematic-grade detail and dimension. Couple this with the projector's advanced color calibration, and you'll enjoy a staggering 360,000 colors that seem to defy reality. Another groundbreaking feature of the PT-VMZ71 lies in its ability to connect seamlessly with your devices via the bundled PC software. Simply load your content onto a mobile device or tablet, and you're good to go. No fumbling with cables, no complex setup, and no wasted time. This is where the PT-VMZ71 truly shows off its versatility, allowing you to effortlessly beam your presentations, videos, or even live streams directly onto the screen from the palm of your hand. One of the most impressive aspects of the Panasonic PT-VMZ71, however, is its adaptability in various scenarios. Say you're planning an outdoor movie night or an impromptu meeting that requires instant presentation capabilities. With the PT-VMZ71, you're covered, thanks to its 360-degree installation flexibility and adjustable keystone correction, which lets you calibrate the image to fit almost any screen or surface. Add to this its compact size and 20 kilograms weight, making it the perfect companion for presentations on the go or a stress-free movie night at home. I recently had the chance to put the PT-VMZ71 through its paces during an outdoor meeting where I had to project an image onto a whiteboard at 60 feet away. The results were nothing short of astounding. The projector's 7,000 lumens produced a crystal clear image that cut through the afternoon sun like a hot knife through butter. The battery life, although not the longest, proved to be more than sufficient for our meeting needs, with approximately 2 to 3 hours of runtime before needing to recharge. As I began to wrap up my presentation, I noticed a few minor creases in the image, which I easily rectified with the projector's automatic lens position adjustment. Now, I know what you're thinking. With great power comes great complexity. Am I right to assume that this powerhouse requires constant calibration and tweaking? Not with the Panasonic PT-VMZ71. This behemoth boasts an intuitive dashboard that lets you fine-tune every setting with ease, including the aforementioned automatic keystone correction, which ensures your image remains perfectly aligned, no matter the screen or angle. Of course, with any product, there are also some minor drawbacks that you should be aware of. One such instance is the lack of a built-in speaker system. But let's be honest, who wants to compromise on sound while the projector can handle visuals with such finesse? This omission only serves to further underscore the PT-VMZ71 status as a versatile powerhouse, one that leaves you with plenty of options when it comes to choosing the perfect audio setup to complement its breathtaking visuals. Now that we've delved into the PT-VMZ71's arsenal, let's compare it with its closest competitors. While some may argue that Epson's Brightlink 810Y offers similar performance, it pales in comparison to Panasonic's sheer brightness and superior contrast ratio. The Epson barely scratches the surface of the PT-VMZ71's impressive 7,200 lumens. Others, such as Bank's LU950i, try to compete with its robust feature set, but ultimately fall short in terms of overall image quality and design. By any measure, the Panasonic PT-VMZ71 7,000 lumen WUXGA laser projector stands as the gold standard for projectors, and once you've seen it in action, I'm willing to bet you'll agree that it's worth every penny. In conclusion, if you're still using a projector that's anything less than exceptional, stop. Stop struggling with poorly lit presentations, compromising quality, and the frustration that comes with every